Hello, my dear students of class 5. Welcome to maths class once again. As in my previous class, I have taught you exercise 4.2 subtraction of integers. So I have completed, there were just two exercises 4.1 and 4.2. So today I am going to do this revision exercise and I will complete this chapter. Okay. So question number 1 will be homework. I am doing question number 2. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. So here we are going to arrange the integers in ascending order. And ascending order means from small to big. Okay, so but this one is integer, so we have to see the sign carefully, then only we can do, we can arrange this in ascending order. Okay, and I have already said you that all the positive integers are greater than negative integers. Okay, so one by one we will see and we will do. Okay, so question number 2, arrange the following integers in ascending order A. So let's see the numbers first. This is minus 22 plus 222 minus 2 minus 222 plus 22 plus 2. So I have said you that we have to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So I have said you that this also, that all the negative integers are less than positive integers. Okay, so we will see first negative integer. Okay, so now let's see, this is minus 22 minus 2 minus 222. Okay, so out of these three integers, that is the negative integer, which one is the smallest one? Okay, so don't think that this minus 2 is the smallest one. Smallest one is minus 222. As we move from left to right, the value increases. So this one is what? Minus 222. This one is smallest one. Okay, so we'll write here minus 222. Then which one is small out of these two? Is minus 22. Okay, minus 22 is smaller. Then which one? Minus 2. Now positive integers are left. Plus 222 plus 22 plus 2. Now you can distinguish that which one is smaller. So 2 is the smallest one. In positive you know how to distinguish. Then which one is small? Plus 22, and then which one is the biggest one? Is plus 222. So in this way we have to arrange the integers. First we have to see the negative integers, then we will see the positive integer. Positive one you can do very easily. Okay, so you have to learn how to arrange negative integers, okay, in ascending or in descending. Now let's see question number C. Okay, so how to do? What are the numbers? Minus 10 plus 101 plus 10 minus 1 minus 1101. Okay, so positive one we will leave because these two are greater than this negative integers. So first we will see the negative integers. Okay, minus 10 minus 1 minus 1101. So this one is the smallest one. Minus 1101. Okay, so whenever you will see the number with negative sign, don't say that this minus 1 is smaller than this one. Okay, minus 1 is greater than this minus 1101. I have already taught you in my previous videos. Okay, now which one is small? Minus 1 or minus 10? Minus 10. Then minus 1 is greater than this minus 10. Okay, but less than these two positive integers. Now from this you know which one is small. 101, this one is positive 101, this is positive 10. So this one is small than this, no? So we'll write this first, and this one is the greatest among all. So in this way you will arrange in ascending order. Now let's see the other questions. Now what is question number 3? Add the following integers. This also we have done in exercise 4.2, how to add the integers. So there are 3 questions. I will do the 2 questions. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, now let's add these integers. Okay, so what is this? Minus 6, and means you have to add the following integers, plus minus 4. Now what you have to see, the next step is that we have to see the sign. What is the sign of this? Minus, and this integer is what? Minus. So minus minus, what you have to do? I have said you that when both the sign will be same, what we have to do? We have to add and we have to put the same sign. Okay, when sign are same, what you have to do? Add. That means both the sign is same, minus minus is same. What you have to do? We have to add and we have to keep the sign. We have to write the same sign. Okay. So minus 6 minus 4. So what we have to do? We have to add. Okay. So I am writing here that 6 plus 4. Okay, 6 plus 4 is how much? Is 10. Now which sign we will put? Both the sign is same. So we will put what? Minus sign. So this is the answer. Okay, minus 10 is the answer. Now let's see question number 3C. Minus 13. Okay, when added to plus 6. Now here you can see that both the sign is different. So when both the sign is different, what do you have to do? Subtract. Okay, different sign, subtract. Okay, we have to subtract. So this is minus 13, this is plus 6. So minus plus is minus. So separately you can write, or just so that you don't get confused, you can write here. Okay, that 13 minus 6. Minus plus is what? Minus. Different sign, subtract. Okay, so 13 minus 6 is how much? It will be how much? 7. How much it will be? 7. 7. And now which sign we will put? Okay, so what we have to do, I have taught you, we will hide the sign. Okay, now you say which number is greater. After hiding the sign, there is no sign. Okay, so now you say which one is greater, 13 or 6? 13. So whatever the sign will be there in front of 13, we'll put that sign. Okay, so remove this. Here we will put the sign of minus. Okay, so this is the answer. Don't forget to put the sign. If you will forget to put the sign, your answer will be wrong. Okay, this is addition or subtraction in integers. You have to put the sign correctly. So this 6 plus 4 or 13 minus 6, just so that you don't get confused, I have written here that minus minus is plus. So 6 plus 4 is how much? Is 10, and you have to put the sign of what? When both the sign is same, we will put minus sign. Okay, whatever the sign will be there, we will put that sign. So here both the sign is what? Minus, so we will put minus sign. And different sign means we have to subtract. Okay, so 13 minus 6 is how much? 7, and we will put the sign of what? 13. In front of 13, what is there? Minus sign. We will put minus sign. Now let's see the last question of this exercise, and then we will complete the exercise. Now what is question number 4? Subtract the following integers. About this I have just taught you in my previous online class only. So let's recap it once more. Okay. So now see here how to subtract this. What you have to do? From means this will be first plus 15 minus, from means what you have to do? We have to subtract. Okay. And then what we will write? Plus 5. Okay, don't forget to put the sign. Now what you have to do? We have to find the additive inverse. Additive inverse means opposite of the integer. And of which number we will find the additive inverse? Of this integer we will find the additive inverse, that is plus 5. Okay, so let me write here. Additive inverse of plus 5 is what? Minus 5. Opposite you have to write. If it is plus, minus. If it is minus, plus. So additive inverse of plus 5 is what? Minus 5. Now copy the same question. Plus 15. Okay. Minus plus 5. Okay. So now let's begin. Okay. So copy this same. Plus 15 minus. What did you do? Change this to addition, because subtraction is the addition of the additive inverse. So we will write the additive inverse of plus 5. What is the additive inverse of plus 5 is? Minus 5. Okay, now we will use the rule of addition. Now you see, this one is plus 15, this one is minus 5. Both have the different sign. So different sign means what? Subtraction. So what is a plus minus? What did you do? Minus. Okay, different sign means subtraction. So 15 minus 5 is how much? Is 10. Now which sign we will put? We will cover the sign. Now see which one is greater, 15 or 5? 15. So in front of 15, whatever sign will be there, we will put that sign. So what it is? Plus sign. So we will put here plus sign. Okay. So what is the answer? Plus 10. Now let's do the last question. From means minus 3 we will write first. Okay. From subtract minus 6. So we will find the additive inverse of minus 6 first. Additive inverse is not hard. Additive inverse means just the opposite of minus 6. So additive inverse of minus 6 is what? Is plus 6. Opposite. Minus 6 means plus 6 will be there. Now what you have to do? Copy the same question. After copying, what you have to do, this one, don't think it is a long process. Okay, this I have made from this additive inverse to find. Then copy the same question. Now copy this same minus 3 minus, what we will write, plus additive inverse will write now of minus 6 is what, plus 6. Now see here, both the integers have different sign, minus 3 plus 6. So minus plus is what, minus, different sign means we have to do minus. So let's subtract this, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is how much, is 3. And which sign we will put, let's cover this. So which one is greater, 3 or 6? 6. So in front of 6, whatever sign will be there, we'll put that sign. What is that? Plus. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. So with this, I've completed. So with this, I've completed exercise. Okay, all the exercises, they were just 2 exercise, 4.1, 4.2, and this was the last exercise, revision exercise. This was left. Now this is the last exercise it was. Okay, so I've completed this also. Question number 1 will be your homework. Okay, and whatever question I have not done, that will be your homework. And I hope that you have understood this exercise. And if you have any doubt, you have my number. You can message me and you can clear your doubt. Okay, so I have completed this chapter, Introduction to Negative Numbers. This was very new to you. Okay, so again I will tell you, if you have not understood this chapter, if you have any doubt, you have my number, you can ask me. Okay, so with this I have completed chapter number 4, Introduction to Negative Numbers. Okay, whatever I have done, okay, what you will do in your copy as classwork, and whatever homework I will give, you will do that also in your copy. Okay, as homework. Thank you.